So I'm going to try to show you my joy today. I found this black table and everything's going to reflect on it. I'm sorry. I just put the resin on with blacks and purples and blues first, and then I added clear glitter, if you can see any of that. I hate that my door's in the way, that my everything is reflecting on it. I don't know how not to show the reflection. But anyways, this is my joy for today. It is a beach scene, not so big waves, nice shore break on a black table top. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day, arting, or whatever it is you do to enjoy your time. I'm just gonna say peace out.